Hello everybody, welcome back to Vin's Idea. Today we're going to be disassembling a Sony computer. It's a very old one. Here's all the warning details and stuff. 6 ventilations, but it still gets very hot. Here's the computer itself. And here's the screen and keyboard, and we've got disk drive, and so let's get going to disassemble. We've already got out the battery. And if you see that in the corner, that's the battery. So let's get started. So, this is the cover of the memory cards, if you can see in here. So here's the memory card itself, the warnings and stuff, and we got this black thing on the cover as well. This may be split into 2 episodes, but we'll see. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Here's the hard drive cover, and inside here is the hard drive. Oops. These screws are absolutely tiny. So if you're doing this, try to keep the screws in a space that they won't get lost. So if you don't know what the hard drive does, it is just holding all of your files, photos and stuff. Here's the hard drive shielding. It's just a giant metal grated thing. It's like one of those cheese grinders. Yeah, it stops the electromagnetic interference, yeah. This is the hard drive itself. The most valuable part of the hard drive is the hard drive itself, obviously. This is the hard drive. It stores all your photos, just loads of your stuff. 500 gigabytes, which is not that much for a computer. Computers normally have like 2T or something. We're lifting out the computer. Oh yeah. This is where the fun begins. This is just the computer's cover. So these foil parts are like electromagnetic shields, and they shield things out.
Yeah.
This is the CPU. Central Processing Unit. When it's actually working, it generates lots of heat, and it goes down this copper to here, the fan, and it cools it down. Here's the CD drive. You see, this is what you take out when you're using your CDs. CD drives are pretty simple, but you can't open it without power. So that's why we can't open it. Here comes out the CPU. This is the fan. the fan and heating. Let's take out the CPU. So this is the CPU. The CPU, which is this, is the brain of the computer. Let's get this moved out. Let's put it on here. This is the Wi-Fi chip. This is the Wi-Fi chip. So we're taking out the Wi-Fi chip. There we go. Here's the Wi-Fi chip in close up. Wi-Fi chip. The motherboard's like connected everything. So let's take out the motherboard. These little here's the motherboard. This is the microphone. This is the speaker. This is the USB. This is HDMI. Yeah. How about the SIM? Very, very crazy but cool motherboard. So this, a connectivity card. So we're gonna disassemble it. Here is the connectivity card. Connectivity card.
Yep.
It's the USB card. Push.
Yep.
Then I can take it out. USB card.